Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson Mekanati Mayan Al Arabiyati Al Akbariyati. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. So today we are going to study the next verse from Surah Al-Baqarah, that is from 170 to 210. Al-yawma sawfa nadrusul ayyata min mi'aw wa sabbaun illa mi'atan wa ashra min Surat Al-Baqarati. So let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So we are going to study the next verse, that is from 170 to 176. Wa iza kila lahu mutabbi aw ma anzala lahu kalau bal natabi ma alfena alayhi abana awallahu kana abba uhum la ya kelona she an walla yahata dom wa matha lulla zina kafara kamat tha lilla zi yan eko bima la yasma u illa dua anwa nida sumum bukmun yun fahum la yakilun Ya ayyuhallazina amana kullu min tayyibati ma razaqnakum washkuru lillahi in kuntum iyyahu ta'budun innama harrama alaykumul maytata wa dama wa lahmal khinziri wa ma uhilla bihi li ghairi laha Faman etura gerab bagin walla adin falla itma alay. Inna allaha ghafurur rahim. Inna lazina yaktumuna ma anzalla luhu minal kitabi wa yashtarawna bihi thamanan qalilan ulaika ma yakuluna fi butonihim illa nara wala yukallimuhumullahu yawmal qiyamati wala yuzakihim walahum azabun alim. Ulla ikala zina shatara wadala lata bil huda wal azaba bil maghfiraha fama azbarahum ala nar zalika bi anna laha nazala al kitaba bil haq wa inna lazina khatala fil kitabi lafi shikka kim ba'id. So what does it mean in English? When it is said to them, follow cut Allah hath revealed, they say, nay, we shall follow the ways of our fathers. What even though their fathers were void of wisdom and guidance? The parable of those who reject faith, it as if one were to shout like a goat herd to things that listen to nothing but calls and cries, deaf, dumb and blind, they are void of wisdom. O ye who believe, eat of the good things that we have provided for you and be grateful to Allah. If it is Him ye worship. He hath only forbidden you dead meat and blood and the flesh of swine and that on which any other name hath been invoked besides that of Allah. But if one is forced by necessity without willful disobedience, not transgressing due limits, then is he guiltless. For Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. Those who conceal Allah's revelations in the book and purchase for them a miserable profit, they swallow into themselves naught but fire. Allah will not address them on the day of resurrection, nor purify them. Grievous will be their penalty. They are the ones who buy error in place of guidance and torment in place of forgiveness. Ah, what boldness they show for the fire. Their doom is because Allah sent down the book in truth, but those who seek causes of dispute in the book are in a schism far from the purpose. So now next verse, that is from 182 to 186. فَمَنْ خَافَ مِنْ مُوصٍ جَنَافًا أَوْ إِثْمًا فَأَصْلَحَ بَيْنَهُمْ فَلَا إِثْمَ عَلَيْهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ غَفُورٌ رحیم. یا ایھا الذین آمنوا کتب علیکم الصیام کما کتب علی الذین من قبلکم لعلکم تتقون ایاما معدودات فمن کان منکم مریضا او علی سفر فعدۃ من ایام اخر وعلی الذین یطیقونہ فدیۃ طعام مسکین فمن تطوع خیرا فہو خیر لہ وان تصوموا خیر لکم ان کنتم تعلمون. شہر رمضان الذی انزل فیہ القرآن ہدی للناس وبینۃ من الہدی والفرقان فمن شہد منکم الشہر فلیصم ومن کان مریضا او علی سفر فعدۃ من ایام اخر یرید اللہ بکم الیسر ولا یرید بکم العسر ولتکملوا العدۃ ولتکبروا اللہ علی ما ھداکم ولعلکم تشکرون. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ أُجِيبُ دَعْوَةَ الدَّاعِ إِذَا دَعَانِ فَلْيَسْتَجِيبُوا لِي وَلْيُؤْمِنُوا بِي لَعَلَّهُمْ يَرْشُدُونَ. So what does it mean in English? But if anyone fears partiality or wrongdoing on the part of the testator and makes peace between the parties concerned, there is no wrong in him, for Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. O ye who believe, fasting is prescribed to you, as it was prescribed to those before you, that ye may learn self-restraint, fasting for a fixed number of days. But if any of you is ill or on a journey, the prescribed number should be made from days later. For those who can do it with hardship is a ransom, the feeding of one that is indigent. But he that will give more of his own free will, it is better for him. And it is better for you that ye fast, if ye only knew. Ramadan is the month which was sent down the Quran as a guide to mankind, and also clear signs for guidance and judgment between the right and wrong. So every one of you who is present at his home during that month should spend it in fasting. But if anyone is ill or on a journey, the prescribed period should be made up by days later. Allah intends every facility for you. He doesn't want to put you to difficulties. He wants you to complete the prescribed period and to glorify Him. In that He has guided you, and perchance ye shall be grateful. When my servants ask thee concerning me, I am indeed close to them. I listen to the prayers of every suppliant when he calleth on me. Let them also with a will listen to my call and believe in me, that they may walk in the right way. Now next verse comes from 187 to 190. Yuhilla lakum laylata siyamir rafatu illa nisaikum hunna libasul lakum wa antum libasul lahun. Alima lahu annakum kuntum ta'annawna anfusakum fataba alaykum wa afa ankum falana bashiro hunna wabtagaw ma kataba lahu lakum wa kulu washrabu hatta yatabayyana لَكُمُ الْخَيْطُ الْأَبْيَضُ مِنَ الْخَيْطِ الْأَسْوَدِ مِنَ الْفَجْرِ ثُمَّ أَتِمُّوا الصِّيَامَ إِلَى اللَّيْلِ وَلَا تُبَاشِرُوهُنَّ وَأَنْتُمْ عَاكِفُونَ فِي الْمَسَاجِدِ تِلْكَ حُدُودُ اللَّهِ فَلَا تَقْرَبُوهَا كَذَلِكَ يُبَيِّنُ اللَّهُ آيَاتِهِ لِلنَّاسِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَّقُونَ وَلَا تَأْكُلُوا أَمْوَالَكُمْ بَيْنَكُمْ بِالْبَاطِلِ وَتُدْلُوا بِهَا إِلَى الْحُكَامِ لِتَأْكُلُوا فَرِيقًا مِنْ أَمْوَالِ النَّاسِ بِالْإِثْمِ وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ يَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْأَهِلَّةِ قُلْ هِيَ مَوَاقِيتُ لِلنَّاسِ وَالْحَجِّ وَلَيْسَ الْبِرُّ بِأَنْ تَأْتُوا الْبُيُوتَ مِنْ ظُهُورِهَا وَلَكِنَّ الْبِرَّ مَنِ اتَّقَى وَأْتُوا الْبُيُوتَ مِنْ أَبْوَابِهَا وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ وَقَاتِلُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ الَّذِينَ يُقَاتِلُونَكُمْ وَلَا تَعْتَدُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُحِبُّ الْمُعْتَدِينَ. So what does it mean in English? Permitted to you on the night of the fast is the approach to your wives. They are your garments and ye are their garments. Allah knoweth that what ye used to do secretly among yourselves, but He turned to you and forgave you. So now associate with them and seek what Allah hath ordained for you, and eat and drink until the white thread of dawn appear to you distinct from its black thread. Then complete your fast till the night appears, but do not associate with your wives while ye are in retreat in the mosque. Those are limits set by Allah. Approach not night thereto. Thus doth Allah make clear His signs to men, that they may learn self-restraint. And do not eat up your property among yourselves for vanities, nor use it as bait for the judges, with intent that ye may eat up wrongfully and knowingly a little of other people's property. They ask thee concerning the new moons. Say, they are but signs to mark fixed periods of time in the affairs of men and for pilgrimage. It is no virtue if ye enter your houses from the back. It is virtue if ye fear God. Enter houses through the proper doors and fear Allah, that ye may prosper. Fight in the cause of Allah those who fight you, but do not transgress limits, for Allah loveth not transgressors. So now comes the next verse, that is from 191 to 196. وَاقْتُلُوهُمْ حَيْثُ ثَقِفْتُمُوهُمْ وَأَخْرِجُوهُمْ مِنْ حَيْثُ أَخْرَجُوكُمْ وَالْفِتْنَةُ أَشَدُّ مِنَ الْقَتْلِ وَلَا تُقَاتِلُوهُمْ عند المسجد الحرام حتى يقاتلوكم فيه فإن قتلوكم فاقتلوهم كذلك جزاء الكافرين فإن انتهوا فإن الله غفور رحيم وقاتلوهم حتى لا تكون فتنة ويكون الدين لله فإن انتهوا فلا عدوان إلا على الظالمين. الشهر الحرام بالشهر الحرام والحرمات قصاص حمان اعتدى عليكم فاعتدوا عليه بمثل ما اعتدى عليكم واتقوا الله واعلموا أن الله مع المتقين. وَأَنْفِقُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَى التَّهْلُكَةِ وَأَحْسِنُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ وَأَتِمُّوا الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ فَإِنْ أُحْصِرْتُمْ فَمَا اسْتَيْسَرَ مِنَ الْهَدْيِ وَلَا تَحْلِقُوا رُءُوسَكُمْ حَتَّى يَبْلُغَ الْهَدْيُ مَحِلَّهُ فَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْكُمْ مَرِيضًا أَوْ بِهِ أَذًى مِنْ رَأْسِهِ فَفِدْيَةٌ مِنْ صِيَامٍ أَوْ صَدَقَةٍ أَوْ نُسُكٍ فَإِذَا أَمِنْتُمْ فَمَنْ تَمَتَّعَ بِالْعُمْرَةِ إِلَى الْحَجِّ فَمَا اسْتَيْسَرَ مِنَ الْهَدْيِ فَمَنْ لَمْ يَجِدْ فَصِيَامُ ثَلَاثَةِ أَيَّامٍ فِي الْحَجِّ وَسَبْعَةٍ إِذَا رَجَعْتُمْ تِلْكَ عَشَرَةٌ كَامِلَةٌ ذَلِكَ لِمَنْ لَمْ يَكُنْ أَهْلُهُ حَاضِرِي الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ. So what does it mean in English? And slay them whenever ye catch them, and turn them out from where they have turned you out, for tumult and oppression are worse than slaughter. But fight them not at the sacred mosque unless they first fight you there, but if they fight you, slay them. Such is the reward of those who suppress faith. But if they cease, Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful, and fight them on until there is no more tumult or oppression, and there prevail justice and faith in Allah. But if they cease, let there be no hostility except to those who practice oppression. The prohibited month for the prohibited month, and so for all things prohibited, there is the law of equality. If then anyone transgresses the prohibition against you, transgress ye likewise against him. But fear Allah, and know that Allah is with those who restrain themselves, and spend of your substance in the cause of Allah, and make not your own hands contribute to your destruction. But do good, for Allah loveth those who do good, and complete the Hajj or Umrah in the service of Allah. But if ye are prevented from completing it, send an offering for sacrifice such as ye may find, and do not shave your heads until the offering reaches the place of sacrifice. And if any of you is ill or has an ailment in his scalp necessitating shaving, he should in compensation either fast or feed the poor or offer sacrifice when ye are in peaceful condition. Again, if anyone wishes to continue the Umrah on to the Hajj, he must make an offering such as he can afford. But if he cannot afford it, he should fast 3 days during the Hajj and 7 days on his return, making 10 days in all. This is for those whose household is not in the precincts of the sacred mosque, and fear Allah, and know that Allah is strict in punishment. So now next verse, that is from 197 to 202. Sorry, excuse me. So now comes the next verse, that is from 197 to 202. Al-Hajju ashhurum ma'lumat faman farada fihinnal hajja fala rafata wala fusuqa wala jidala fil hajj wa ma tafallaw min khairin ya'lamhullah wa tazawwadaw fa inna khairaz zad bittaqwa وَاتَّقُونِ يَا أُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ لَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ جُنَاحٌ أَن تَبْتَغُوا فَضْلًا مِّن رَّبِّكُمْ فَإِذَا أَفَضْتُم مِّنْ عَرَفَاتٍ فاذكروا الله عند المشعر الحرام واذكروه كما هداكم وإن كنتم من قبله لمن الضالين ثم أفيضوا من حيث أفاض الناس واستغفروا الله إن الله غفور رحيم فإذا قضيتم مناسككم فاذكروا الله كذكركم آباءكم أو أشد ذكرا فمن الناس من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا وما له في الآخرة من خلاق ومنهم من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار أولئك لهم نصيب مما كسبوا والله سريع الحساب. So what does it mean in English? For Hajj are the months well known. If anyone undertakes that duty therein, let there be no obscenity, nor wickedness, nor wrangling in the Hajj. And whatever good ye do, be sure Allah knoweth it, and take a provision with you for the journey. But the best of provision is right conduct, so fear me. So, O ye that are wise, it is no crime in you if ye seek of the bounty of your Lord during pilgrimage. Then when ye pour down from Mount Arafah, celebrate the praises of Allah at the sacred monument, and celebrate His praises as He has directed you, even though before this ye went astray. Then pass on at a quick pace from the place whence it is usual for the multitude so to do, and ask for Allah's forgiveness, for Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. So when ye have accomplished your holy rites, celebrate the praises of Allah as ye used to celebrate the praises of your fathers, yea, with far more heart and soul. There are men who say, Our Lord, give us thy bounties in this world, but they will have no portion in hereafter. And there are men who say, Our Lord, give us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and defend us from the torment of the fire. To these will be allotted what they have earned, and Allah is quick in account. Now next verse comes from 203 to 210. Vaskurullaha fi ayyamin ma'dudat faman ta'ajjala fi yawmaini fala ithma alayhi wa man ta'akhkhara fala ithma alayhi liman ittaqa wattaqullaha walamau annakum ilayhi tusharram wa minnas nasib Mani yujibuka qawluhu fil hayati dunya wa yushhidullaha ala ma fi qalbihi wa huwa alladul khisam wa iza tawala sa fil ardi li yufsida fiha wa yuhlikal harta wan nasal wallahu la yuhibbul fasad wa iza qila lahu taqillaha akhazat hul izzatu bil itham fahasbuhu jahannam wa labisal mihad wa minan nasi mani yashri nafsahu tiga mardati laha wallahu ra'ufu bil ibad ya ayyuhallazina amanu dkhulu fis silmi kafata wa la tattabi'u khutuwatish shaitan innahu lakum aduwwum mubin fa in zalaltum min ba'di ma ja'atkumul baynatu fa'lamu anna Allaha azizun hakim hal yanzuruna illa an yatiyahumullahu fi zulalim minal gamami wal malaikatu wa qudiyal amr wa illallahi turja'ul umur. So what does it mean in English? Celebrate the praises of Allah during the appointed days. But if anyone hastens to leave in 2 days, there is no blame on him. And if anyone stays on, there is no blame on him if his aim is to do right. Then fear Allah and know that ye will surely be gathered unto him. There is the type of man whose speech about this world's life may dazzle thee, and he calls Allah to witness about what is in his heart, yet is he the most contentious of enemies. When he turns his back, his aim everywhere is to spread mischief through the earth and destroy crops and cattle, but Allah loveth not mischief. When it is said to him, fear Allah, he is led by arrogance to more crime. Enough for him is hell, an evil bed indeed to lie on. And there is the type of man who gives his life to earn the pleasure of Allah, and Allah is full of kindness to his devotees. O ye who believe, enter into Islam wholeheartedly and follow not the footsteps of the evil one, for he is to you an avowed enemy. If ye backslide after the clear signs have come to you, then know that Allah is exalted in power wise. Will they wait until Allah comes to them in canopies of clouds with angels in his train, and the question is thus settled? But to Allah do all questions go back for decisions. So, hada kullu shay'in li hada al-yawm. So that's all for today. كانت هذه سينثيا سامسون من قناة ميان العربية الأخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda.